Welcome students, this is S. Shankar, Assistant Professor Department of MLT, School of Medical Allied Science, Galgotia University. Our course BMLS 1053, the course name is Medical Terminology, Record Keeping and Orientation of Medical Laboratory Sciences Practical. Today our topic Introduction to the Medical Coding. What is the medical coding? The medical coding used number of the work or number of the records or reports we can save as a coding, like a one word or two words or three words, like some coding, like a anatomy. The simple code you can use like AN. Okay, why we need to study about this topic? After completion of your BSc as Medical Laboratory Sciences, you can work in medical coding offices and medical coding institutions also. Here also they are providing a good package for you. That's why that is the important of the medical coding. Okay, nowadays this is the mostly recommended course and also highly you will get the good job for this medical coding also. Course objectives. From this topic what we have to learn after completion of this course, what we have to understand or what you are learning, what we can recall. First one, obviously introduction to the medical coding, and second one, basic types of medical coding which are the using present in the hospital and medical health care. ICD. What is the ICD here? The International Classification of Disease. CPT, Current Procedure Terminology, and HCPCS, Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System. Introduction. Medical coding is a little bit like translation. The coders take medical reports from the doctors, which may include a patient condition, the doctor's diagnosis and prescription. Whatever procedures the doctors or healthcare provider performed on the patient and turn that into a set of codes which make up crucial part of the medical claim. Okay, why we code the medical data like a patient details and patient diagnosis reports? Let's start with a simple question about medical coding. Why do we code medical reports? Would not it enough to list the symptoms, diagnosis and procedure, send them to an insurance company and wait to hear which service will be reimbursed? To answer that, we have to look at the massive amount of data that every patient visit ensures. If you go into the doctors with a sore throat and present the doctors with symptoms like a fever, sore throat and enlarged lymph node, this will be recorded along with the procedure, the doctor's performance and the medicine and doctor prescribes. According to Center for Disease Control, there were over 1.5 billion patient visit in the past year. That state that includes visit the physician offices, hospital, outpatient facilities and emergency rooms. If there were just 5 pieces of the coded information per visit, which is an almost unrealistically low estimate, that's be 6 billion individual pieces of information that need to be transferred every year. In a system loaded with the data, medical coding allow for the efficient transfer of high amount of information. There are 3 sets of codes you will use in daily basis as a medical coder. First one, ICD, International Classification of Disease. Second one, CPT, Current Procedure Terminology. HCPCS, Healthcare Common Procedure Coding. These are the basic coders we are using as a medical coder in the healthcare sector. The first one is ICD. The International Classification Disease or ICD codes. These are diagnostic codes that create a uniform vocabulary for the describing the causes of injury, illness, death. This code set was established by the WHO, that is the World Health Organization, in the late 1940th century. It's been updated several times in the 60 plus years since its inception. The number of following ICD represents which is revision of codes is in use. The CPT, current procedure terminology. These codes are used in document the majority of medical procedures performed in the physician's office like a hospital. This code set is published and maintained by the American Medical Association, the short form AMA. These codes are copyrights by the AMA and are updated annually. The CPD codes are 5-digit numeric codes that are divided into 3 categories. The first category is used most often and it is divided into 6 ranges. These ranges correspond to the 6 major medical fields: evolution and management, anesthesia, surgery, radiology, pathology, and laboratory and medicine. The second category of CPT codes are correspond to performance, measurements, and in same cases laboratory or radiology test results. These 5-digit alphanumeric codes are typically added to the end of a category 1 CPT codes with a hyphen. Category 2 codes are optional and may not be used in place of category 1. These codes are useful for the physicians and health professionals. And the AMA anticipates that category codes will reduce the administrative burden on physicians' office by providing them with more and more accurate information specifically related to the performance of health professionals and health facilities. The third category of CPT codes corresponds to emerging medical technology. CPT codes also have the elements that increase the specificity and accuracy of the code used. Since many medical procedures require a final level of detail than the basic category 1 CPT codes offers, the AMA has developed a set of the CPT modifiers. These are 2-digit numeric and alphanumeric codes that were added to the end of the category 1 CPT. Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System (HCPCS), commonly pronounced is HCPCS, are a set of codes based on CPT codes developed by the CMS, that is same organized by developed by CPT, and maintained by the AMA. HCPCS codes primarily correspond to services, procedure, and equipment not covered by the CPT codes. This codes durable medical equipment, prosthetic and ambulance rides, and certain drugs and medicines. HCPCS is also the official code set for the outpatient hospital healthcare, chemotherapy drugs, Medicaid and Medicare, among other services. Since HCPCS codes are involved in Medicaid and Medicare, it is one of the most important codes in medical coder can use. The HCPCS code setup divided into 2 levels. The first of these levels is identical to the CPT codes that we covered earlier. Level 2 is a set of alphanumeric codes that is divided into 17 sections, each based on area of specificity like a medical and laboratory or rehabilitative services. Like CPT codes, each HCPCS code should correspond with the diagnostic code that justifies the medical procedures. It's the coder responsibility to make sure whatever outpatient procedure is detailed in the doctor's report make sense with the listed diagnosis typically described via ICD codes. Here we have practice questions. Apply your knowledge on HCPCS and discuss on CPT. What is use of ICD? These are the some important questions related to this topic. And here reference which are the you need to study of textbooks to this topic. Thank you, my dear students.